So what's up guys, I'm gonna be turning this $70 to $200 and let's do it guys.
So starting with, I saw a QM on Dex 600 up index, right? And I saw this on a H4 hour time frame, and I will be marking it up right here. Okay, so we have a head over here, right? We have a head. Okay, this is our head. We have the head and shoulders, okay, over here, right guys? So when we go on a smaller time frame, we can see a bigger picture of this, okay? And when we switch to line chart, you can see everything properly, okay? Here you can see everything properly, that the price, okay, price has already failed to break this high, okay? You can see. So on our chart we can mark this, okay? We mark this is our high, this is our low, okay? So for now I'm gonna be entering my sell positions over here, and yeah guys, so guys, I have set up all my pending orders, okay, on our chart right now.
11 hours later.
So what's up guys, our setup is running $200 right now, okay? Yeah guys, our setup is running $200, and yeah, I'm gonna be closing full guys. I'm gonna be closing full because I wasn't on the charts. I could have been layering all this time, but I mean, I wasn't on the charts. Okay, so guys, I will be closing now, and yeah, pretty much guys, let me close. So now guys, we are at 200